Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can change your profile picture on Discord. So the first thing that you have to do is of course ensure that you've already logged into your Discord account and then go and click this gear icon right here which says user settings. And then what you will have to do is basically just click edit user profile and then go ahead and click your current icon, and what you will have to do is click change avatar, and you can either upload an image or you can choose a GIF, but you do have to make sure that you do have a nitro before doing that. So after you've chosen your picture, you will just have to basically click done or whatever it is on your layout, and then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.